Are you a new professional struggling with time management? I know, I was there. And today I want to share a couple of tips and tricks that I wish somebody had told me when I was starting off my career. Want to learn more? Stick with me. Tip number 1, prioritize your tasks. Make sure you write down everything you need to do and then rank the tasks in order of importance and urgency. This will help you identify not only what you have on your plate, but also what is more and what is less important. It will save you a bunch of time. Next, create a schedule. Make sure that you allocate time to those tasks that you have identified as important and urgent. Don't let anything distract you in the allocated time. Tip number 3, find your productive time. We are all different and some work better in the morning and some do it late at night. The key is that you find the time when you are most productive in a day and make sure that you are focusing on the tasks that are the most important and the most complex in that period of time. Now the 2 tips that I struggled most with, but very important. Tip number 1, delegate whatever is possible. Delegate what you know that you are not best at, or you know that somebody else can be faster with. And the second one is learn to say no. We are always afraid to say no because we feel that we're going to let somebody down, it's going to influence our chances to success. But the reality is that sometimes we need to set boundaries in order to make sure that we are performing well at the things that are in our capacity. So learn to say no. And finally, prioritize your health. Take care of yourself. Make sure that you find enough time in a day to get some quality sleep, to do some exercise, and make sure that you eat healthy. Why this is important? Not only because you want to stay fit and healthy throughout your career, but also because having a healthy lifestyle tremendously increases productivity. You will be able to work more, to give it your best if you are rested, well-fed, and you have the time to exercise. Let me know in the comments below what are the things that you are struggling with most when it comes to managing your time and your road to success. I will be happy to address it in my next videos. In the meantime, I'm cheering for you. Bye bye.